Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim 1 million shekels for free and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to claim reward for free, you just need to go to the shop and then you will see daily reward and you can claim it for free guys. Okay, right here. Forever pack, and as you can see here I can claim 1 million shekels and it's free. And wow, I got 1 million shekels from the forever pack. And just remember guys that the item will be different every day. It can be sprinkler and then recall wrench or fertilizer or shekels. And don't forget to claim your daily reward right here from the Forever Pack and grow a garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim 1 million shekels for free and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.